Is your car trying to tell you something? Don't ignore dash warning lights. You'll find that several lights illuminate as soon as you turn the car on, showing that the relevant systems are working. They should then go off. If any remain lit or light up during your journey, then they demand your attention. The lights are linked to sensors, so an alert can simply mean that the sensor is faulty or that it has detected a problem. Don't assume that's the case, though. Ignoring a light could lead to serious damage, as well as your car failing its next mo. So it's best to find out exactly what the problem is and then you can work out what to do, if anything, next. Electronic parking brake fault. An electronic parking brake is a complex and expensive component. If the warning light, showing an exclamation sign in a circle with a line through it, comes on, take the car to a garage immediately. If you need to stop the car and park it, there are a few things you can do. Put it in first gear when facing uphill, or in reverse when facing downhill, if it's a manual. Or in park, if it's an automatic. It's also worth turning the wheels into the curb, too, as this will prevent the car from rolling far if the car isn't held in place. What to do? Drive to a garage immediately. If you find this video useful, please share it with your friends, and if you have any questions, leave a comment, we'll respond. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.